Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into a conflict that shaped the modern world in ways many people don't realize: the Korean War. It's often called the Forgotten War, overshadowed by World War II before it and the Vietnam War after. But the Korean War is filled with incredible stories and surprising facts that are anything but forgettable. So, grab a seat, and let's uncover some of the most astonishing aspects of this pivotal moment in history. First off, did you know that the Korean War technically never ended? That's right. The conflict was halted on July 27, 1953, with an armistice, not a peace treaty. This agreement created the Demilitarized Zone, or DMZ, a heavily fortified border that separates North and South Korea to this day. So, while the fighting stopped, the two nations are officially still in a state of war, existing in a tense, decades-long ceasefire. It's one of the longest-running unresolved conflicts in modern history. Here's a fact that might surprise you about the forces involved. While we often think of it as a conflict between North and South Korea, with the United States and China as the main foreign powers, the UN played a massive role. In fact, 22 countries contributed to the UN effort. Troops, medical staff, and support came from nations like the United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, Turkey, the Philippines, Ethiopia, and even Luxembourg. It was a truly international coalition, marking the first major military action taken by the newly formed United Nations. Let's talk about medical innovation. The Korean War was a brutal conflict, but it led to incredible life-saving advancements. The widespread use of helicopters for medical evacuation, what we now call medevacs, began here. For the first time, wounded soldiers could be airlifted directly from the front lines to mobile army surgical hospitals, or MASH units. This dramatically reduced the time between injury and treatment, saving countless lives. The concept of the golden hour, the critical period after a traumatic injury, was effectively born on the battlefields of Korea. Now for a bit of Hollywood trivia. The iconic TV show M*A*S*H, which was set during the Korean War, actually ran for more than 3 times longer than the war itself. The show lasted for 11 seasons, from 1972 to 1983. While the actual fighting in Korea lasted for about 3 years, its finale remains one of the most watched television broadcasts in American history, bringing the realities and absurdities of the war into living rooms across the nation, long after the armistice was signed. Another surprising element was the sheer scale of the air war. Many people are unaware that the Korean War saw some of the first large-scale jet versus jet air battles in history. American F-86 Sabre jets clashed with Soviet MiG-15s in the skies over an area known as MiG Alley. What's even more fascinating is that many of the MiG-15s were secretly flown by experienced Soviet pilots from World War II to maintain secrecy. These pilots were forbidden from speaking Russian over the radio and were ordered not to fly over uncontrolled territory where they might be captured. Here's a story of incredible heroism. Have you ever heard of Sergeant Reckless? She was a horse, a Mongolian mare purchased by a U.S. Marine. She became a decorated war hero. Reckless was trained to carry supplies and ammunition to soldiers on the front lines, often by herself. During one battle, she made 51 solo trips in a single day, carrying ammunition up steep mountains and bringing wounded soldiers back down. She was wounded twice, promoted to staff sergeant, and is considered one of the greatest war horses in American history. The demographics of the soldiers involved are also eye-opening. The Korean War was one of the first major conflicts where the United States military was officially desegregated. In 1948, President Truman had signed an executive order to end segregation in the armed forces. While integration was a slow process, the Korean War was the first conflict where black and white soldiers fought side by side in integrated units. It was a landmark moment in the American civil rights movement, happening on the battlefields of a foreign land. Let's not forget the incredible challenges of the terrain and weather. Soldiers faced some of the most extreme conditions imaginable. The Korean Peninsula has brutally hot and humid summers, followed by bitterly cold winters. At the Battle of the Chosin Reservoir, for instance, temperatures plummeted to as low as -37°C, or -35°F. Frostbite became as great an enemy as the opposing forces, causing thousands of casualties. The resilience of the soldiers who endured these conditions is truly beyond comprehension. The Korean War also had a massive, often overlooked, humanitarian impact. The conflict displaced millions of Korean civilians, creating a refugee crisis of immense proportions. Families were torn apart, many permanently, by the sudden and rigid division of the country. This separation of families is a deep wound that continues to affect the Korean people today, with occasional, highly emotional reunions organized between North and South for elderly individuals who have unseen their loved ones in over 70 years. Finally, the economic miracle that followed is one of the most astonishing legacies of the war. South Korea was utterly devastated by the conflict. In the 1950s, it was one of the poorest countries in the world. But in the decades that followed, it underwent a period of rapid industrialization and economic growth known as the Miracle on the Han River. Today, South Korea is a global economic powerhouse and a leader in technology and culture. This incredible transformation from the ashes of war into a vibrant modern democracy is perhaps the most powerful and hopeful story to come out of this entire period. So, there you have it. The Korean War was far more than a forgotten chapter of history. It was a complex, global conflict that pioneered medical and military technology, accelerated social change, and reshaped the geopolitical landscape in ways that we still feel today. From the bravery of Sergeant Reckless to the dawn of the Jet Age and the enduring pain of divided families, its stories are a powerful reminder of the cost of war and the resilience of the human spirit. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you found these facts as fascinating as I did, please hit that like button. And do forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you do miss our next deep dive into history. Let me know in the comments which fact surprised you the most. Until next time, stay curious.